Bunny flat roams freely across the plains, looking for clover to eat.
Clover? What's with the accent?
It's a nature documentary. All nature documentaries are hosted by British people, you nitty. The bunny waits for the perfect time to move,
To kill.
to thrive. He knows he's being watched, so he's being extra careful.
What is bloody wrong with you? She's not being careful at all.
She's eating grass. What kind of bunny eats grass?
You.
True.
Run, my free friend, run.
Oh, she's heard something. She makes a move for the sunset.
Her freedom awaits. Run, my rabbit friend, run.
Going free.